Hey guys, it's Angie. So yesterday I went on a really fun fishing trip on a river that had current. I'm not really used to that. I didn't really have a takeout spot, so it was more like I put in, there was a lot of current, so I went to where there wasn't as much current. And I caught a decent amount of fish. The place is gorgeous. I am so excited to be going back there and learning the area. And before they actually turned the water on, I seen so many fish. The water was crystal clear. I missed a few, I caught a few, and I had a great time. So anyway, without further ado, let's go fishing. That one though. That one though. Yeah, little bitty one. Little bitty guy. I lost two others because I was trying to turn my GoPro on, so. Oh, hold on, dude. Oh, there he is. Little bitty guy. It's cute. Huh? Yeah, he's small. That's the third fish I've hooked up on. This little tiny thing.
Yeah, they're busting big time. They fight different now.
Yep. Wow, he just flipped out of the boat. Wow. Oh my goodness. Look at that bluegill. He's so pretty. I have to go back in. Oh, goodness. That pretty bluegill. Oh my goodness. So pretty. I have to go back up and fish that again.